Okay, go ahead. Drink some water.
I need water. I need water too. It's not working.
Come on, get it. Watch Naya. Watch how she does it. Naya, that's too tall for you. Do the other one.
No, I can do this one.
See how she does it? Don't put your mouth on it. Naya, you don't put your mouth on it.
I'll get it in my tongue. Ow.
Did you hit your eye?
You guys see me?
Okay, don't put your mouth on it.
Do it again. What are you doing?
There's water in my nose.
Drink it.
Hi guys.
Jaden, stay here. Jaden. Stay.
Did you get it? Come on. What are you doing? Drink the water.
My turn.
Go on, Caden. You want some water before we go?
Yes.
All right, go drink it. We gotta go.
I want it. So cold. I don't want how much pain.
Did you get any in your mouth?
Hey, did you get it? Caden, you're spilling.
But I can't get it. See?
All right, can we go? Are we guys done?
I want.
Oh, there you go. Now I got it.
My turn. My turn. Ew!